Hi guys, today we are going to be playing Build a Boat. Sorry if my voice sounds a bit loopy. I'm just really excited. So, the thing we're going to be doing is making a flying thing. I don't know what to call it, but don't tell what is it? Do not tell the creators. Please do not, because it's actually perfect for gold grinding. I'm actually gold digger now. Nah, I don't have to be. But it has to be unanchored, everything except that. Once you've done it, it seems like that. It's normal, except it's flying. You jump, and it has the normal control. And I've actually found out something. Darn it. I've actually found out. Medieval, no. I've actually found out something. Maybe it's done it. It's not. But what is this? No. Well, it's the ultimate gold grinder. I'll be right back. Oh, secondly, I forgot to mention these things have 2 lives. 2 lives. So let's just try it again. Like I saw someone with a shit. Let's see if we can raise him. Let's get ready to rumble. Ah. The only problem with this hack glitch is it hard to see. Please stop. Some people. Stop. Stop, game. Why are you being so mean? This usually works really well. Why is it just stopping in the middle of the ear? Oh my gosh. Hopefully. Darn it. I'll be right back. See, this split got me in. Wait, what? There's someone okay doing on. Check that out. But we are gonna witness how to get water. Hello? Right there. So I'm back, and I had to actually leave the server. So let's go to plane. Load yes to the net. He's going to be like, what? I hope. He's going. How did he do that? Be like that. So I've launched, and somehow he's beating me. I'm faster. What's he saying on the comment? Sit here. Oops. Reset. I'm gonna reset. Be right back. So he was done, but It accidentally glitched. But this is how you make it. Oops. So you have to do that right there. And the best block to balance it is a gold block. Take the gold block, you do that. Thomas is trying to see why. That's your flying Thomas. So you do that. And now you have to. Where was it? Oh yeah. You have to get this. And now you're done. But it has to be unanchored. Not all of it, just not the wooden part because you're going to be deleting that. And now, once we do that, we delete it. Now let's catch up with Thomas. And Sydney still don't tell Silkwood. Kill Thomas. I think Thomas is evil. I don't know about you. I think he's evil. Okay. So I actually found out something in a different video. Here's a secret here. And look, there's someone else claiming it. Is she gonna die? What? Yeah, look at this. Why am I still not getting the gold? Okay, now I got the gold. So that is how you do it, but I'm going to show you one more thing. Let's see, we see this. So the farm actually has a secret. Now you see I have now 1,000, but we're not going to be spending that. Nah. Imagine if we actually spend it. But we're going to be getting saves, plane. We have to do this because I think the reward or the thing in it is still there. So this is actually going to be a hack if you don't already know it. Done it. This is actually a fly glitch. Sometimes fly glitches. Oh, Thomas! Did you just see Thomas? No! I don't want to go. Let me go to the farm. The farm level is the most important one. Don't you know why? Don't you know why? Well, Thomas! I hate Thomas! Well, there was actually something in here. So now it's trying to kill us. Hopefully. Thomas! Be right back. Sadly, I accidentally left the server, but now we can't find it. But in the barn, there is a secret hidden chest that gives you something. I forgot what, but it does give you something. Sadly, I forgot what. So sadly, I'm saying sadly too much. That's gonna end the video. Bye.